Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat slowdown. You have reached your limit. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat is showing you that slowdown, you have reached your friend limit and you're unable to add more friends. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your Snapchat and here you have to look for your friends. So basically, this is the problem that if you have added too much friends, that's across the limit of the Snapchat. So after that, Snapchat shows you some option, but some of the time it might be there was a glitch. If you have added a lot of friends, so let's see how can you easily manage that issue. You just have to keep a long press on an edit thread, and then you have to select manage friendship, and then you have to tap on remove friend. Then tap on remove again, and in this way you can easily remove your friends one by one if you have a cross to limit. But if you haven't added too much friends or you are still having the same issue, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to tap on your profile in the top right corner, then go for settings. In settings you just have to scroll down and you will just have to look for the clear data option. Simply tap on it, then tap on clear cache, then tap on clear. So it might be that there is any bug or any malware in your Snapchat. So it will be removed after clearing the cache. Once you have cleared the cache, you just have to close the recent tab of your Snapchat and then reopen it. And in this time, you have to try again to add your friends. But if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open up your app store and here go for search, and you just have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that there is no any update available of your Snapchat app. If you have any update here, you must have to try to download and install that update. Simply tap in the update option if there is any available update option. So once you have updated your app, you just have to close all tabs or recent apps, and then you can easily retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to restart your phone, because sometime in iPhone it might be there's will be an error if you are using any app. So it might be some glitches. So you just have to make a force restart to your phone. So now what you have to do, you just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until you get the black screen on your phone. So let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. You must have to wait for it. It might take a while. And once you have got the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. Once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone restarting. Once your phone has been restarted, you can easily add more friends to your Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily fix Snapchat slowdown. You have reached your limit. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.